No, not like that, Aria.
Arya, one more time. Go back to this. Arya? Yeah? Arya, look. Smile. Kylie, look. Smile. No. We're not done.
I pray for a man who's here today, and he's gotten angry and not sure why he keeps getting so mad. There's something in his past. It's time to let say, and Lord, there's a mom here today. She's having a hard time. You don't want her to feel right. You don't want her to feel right. Yeah, so I pray for anyone who's ready to say yes. Prayed that prayer, or you've never been baptized, so God starts stirring, something's happening. When we stand, do it. Take the way it comes. Worship the Lord. Experience Jesus now. Let's stand. God's calling you to come.
Where's Aria? Aria.
If that's hurt, it'll get away. Okay, pagkabiruin ko. Careful, baby. They scratch. Put him down. Put him down.
I got it, Cherry.
He wants to be around you.
Kylie. Kylie.
Jackson, pick one up and we'll get a picture of you.
You like that, Aria?
May Pakistani fish.
Kasano na ka nun di ngay?
But the daily baga.
You have
Janet can go. I'm like, let's show nurse.
Nagbasi mo baso na.
Mind you, wife na. Okay. I saw her yesterday. So I'll call her later. Just to remind her.
Where are you going after this?
I have a patient in the
Yeah.
Where do you guys want to eat if we're gonna eat? Sorry. Miley, carry her. Come on. She's like on sugar high right now.
Bye.